description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and we're starting another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I'm joined by Miles. How you doing?
Good.
Good. We are going to do a mukbang in a little bit, like a few, as soon as this is done. This is Buldak Carbo, and I've had this, but it was like, what, 8 years ago? Maybe a couple, give or take a year or two. This is the US version. When I had it back then, it was all in Korean, and yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And Miles wanted to join me on the big show. By the way, I finally went and I took the time. There is new music now, and there's a lot of new music. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Well, I don't know how long I gotta cook this for. I was supposed to look at the first 5 minutes. Okay. So now, since I have people who really like to watch noodles cook, that's what we're gonna let them do. So, it is February 15th, 2020.
6.
That's right.
The day after Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Did you have a good Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Good.
And we also got Slurpees yesterday.
Oh, that's right. You scored. You got to have Slurpees.
Yeah.
I baked a cake. And we were going to do this yesterday, but it just seemed easier to do it today or tomorrow, and we're doing it today.
Yeah.
So this is one of the Buldak varieties where on the back here it says when you drain the noodles, you save a half a cup of liquid. This is 1/2 a cup of liquid. On the old versions or the Korean versions, it'll say 8 spoons. A half a cup is, or 8 spoons, a spoon being 15 milliliters, is 120 milliliters, which is almost exactly a half cup. So you drain it, save this much of that water, add it back in with these, and then you've got your Bulldog. And it's saucy. And people get mad about that. People are like, it's not going to be as spicy if you do that. Oh! And they lose their minds, and they get all wonky, and they crash out.
They crash out.
Yeah, big time.
Yeah, big basketball time for myself.
For yourself.
Yeah, so I think we've been winning since.
You've been wearing that freaking shirt on every single video. He has more than one shirt, ladies and gentlemen. I swear to God.
Yeah.
He does. But he likes this shirt, so it gets worn a lot.
Yeah. What?
You might wear it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just got back from going out and taking nature photography.
And I saw some ducks, some cute ducks.
There were a lot of ducks. It was a crazy duck deal.
Yeah, a crazy duck party.
It was like a duck dynasty
Yeah.
without the beard. Well, I've got a beard, but not like the Duck Dynasty people. They have huge beards.
That's crazy.
Yeah. People that are really into ducks.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a thing. Do I need my trusty strainer? So the easy way to do this is just to set the half cup measuring cup in the sink while I drain it, and then just catch it in that. It's a catch cup.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm beat. It's been a day.
Yeah. I've been working too much lately.
You have? You've been working on your big list.
Yeah, I've been working on my big list.
That's cool.
So I have a lot done.
You do.
Uh-huh.
You've been working hard on that stuff. I'm impressed. Miles wants to like be a ramen raider too, so I've been like including him in this and showing him all the stuff that I do and all that. So it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. It's fun. Bonding.
Yeah.
It's good.
Well, it is 4 o'clock.
It is. It's 4:10 in the PM. Usually this show is happening in the morning.
Yeah.
Maybe
sometimes.
maybe after Mama has her lunch.
Yeah.
After I'll do my big walk in the morning, and then I'll come home, make lunch. We'll have lunch together, and then I'll do the show. But yeah. But Mama and Mimi are all hiding in the kitchen doing.
They're actually
Or not in the kitchen.
in the bedroom.
In the bedroom.
Yeah.
They're sewing.
They're sewing something. Like they're sewing something.
So what?
Oh.
Get it?
Yeah.
So what?
So.
Yeah. I'd poke my fingers.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, I'm all thumbs.
Oh.
I poke my thumbs too.
If you poke them, that's okay.
You know what we did for Valentine's Day? I hit my head on the range hood, and my wife hit her head on the
Laundry.
the dryer door. She whacked it good. Well, bad, but good. Yeah, you know what I mean. So that sucked.
Yeah, that sucked really bad.
Yeah.
Really bad.
All right, so we're gonna drain this over this. Oh, come on. Like he's peeing in it.
Uh-huh. Peeing.
Hey.
Kinda looks like that.
Alright, there we go. Now we add our water that we caught in our catch cup.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's hot. Dang. Way too choked.
Oh.
Put in our water. Now, normally, as the show goes, at this point, before I garnish or anything, I try it. But since we're doing a mukbang, you'll have to watch the mukbang to get my full thoughts on this variety. And I am gonna guess it'll probably be a little different than it was back in the day. So you'll have to do that. This is probably gonna come up when it does around 8 a.m. And then the mukbang will show up around 8:15 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's nice.
Uh-huh.
Do you have any plans for tonight, Miles? What are you gonna do?
I think I'm just gonna...
You can do a mukbang. But...
yeah. I'm gonna finish my posts. Yeah. That's my plans. And
Yeah, hopefully they approve it so with your school, because Miles uses a Chromebook and it's logged into his school stuff.
Uh-huh.
But hoping that he'll be able to get permission for it to allow him to use WordPress and start his own blog, which I think would be rad.
Because you want Incident IQ, right?
Huh?
You want Incident IQ?
The Incident IQ, yeah. I made a ticket.
Yeah,
You did a ticket once, and you got in trouble.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah, I remember.
Yeah, of course. So I'm gonna go see this thing up. We'll do a little rotato, and then after that, since you don't like any garnish, I'm doing things in a way today that make it so you don't have to deal with garnish. So, first off, we need it's Carbonara, which means pork. Well, I think it's ridiculous since it says hot chicken flavor, because it doesn't taste like chicken. It is not chicken flavor. It's sauce that goes on chicken flavor. And I keep beating that into you guys over and over, but it just drives me nuts. It's like, educate people, you know? Don't just go with the standard people don't understand and we're just going to leave it that way. Make them learn.
Oh, God. Whoa.
Fire!
Fire! Coming in! The
Fire!
fire department!
Burn!
Fire department! Wheel! Put
Yeah.
fire out.
So instead of doing stuff with the holy slicer, I'm just going to do it like this. See? Large slices of scallion. I don't know how well that's going to look, but that's what I'm going to do. And then I can just pick those off, pick off the chashu, and then we're rolling.
We're cooked.
We're cooked. So yeah, here is our minimalist display carbo. Whoa, what am I seeing here? Oh, it's the shadow off of that. That's not helping. We'll try it that way. And we got new music, and it's fun, and you like it, and we're gonna let Rotato do its thing, and yeah, just give it a second and enjoy. All right, well, that's how you do an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're gonna do our mukbang. So stay tuned for that. This has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Goodbye.